And to all the Matrics and to anybody else that's listening here, yeah, thank you first of all for being here. And let's just keep on fighting for this beautiful country of ours, because I really believe all that we need to be an amazing country is right here in our country. But I think unity is the most important thing. All the challenges that we are facing right now, let's not fight them individually or in small groups. Let's unite in all that we do. And to you, Matrix, help each other out. Work together. If your the Matrix next to you is struggling, help each other and study together, because the more of us that succeed, the better it is for the country, you know. And you guys are really the future of our country. And we should be doing so much more to equip you guys to be better. Stay motivated, stay encouraged. You are enough. All that you have around you is enough for right now. And what you don't have, we will do as much as we can to make sure that you get. Don't let anybody tell you can't achieve what you want to achieve, because that's a lie. I'm telling you because I'm living proof of that. And no matter how tough things are, there's always a way, you know. It's all about what you want to do and what you want to achieve. Make sure you have a strong team around you. And sometimes the ones that you love that were never able to achieve what you want to achieve will tell you that you can't. They're lying to you, because you are enough. All that is around you is enough. Use it as much as you can, and you always be provided with what you need further. It'll always be there. And I appreciate you guys for your strength and staying positive in during this time. You are brave, and you are going to achieve what you want to achieve, because you have you here right now, you want to achieve, you know. And I'm encouraged and I'm inspired by you guys, and keep on going. And you're going to be able to tell the next Matrix that this is this is experience, is one of those journeys that you're going to say and talk about and say that this period made me so much stronger. It's made me realize that I can achieve so much more. And you will teach it to the next group. So I wish you all the best, and you will achieve, and we all care for you guys. That's why we're here, and we'll work as hard as we can to make sure the future of the next kid, they don't go through the same struggles that you did. So thank you for inspiring me today, and yeah, just give it your best shot. And remember to prepare as much as you can to be the best you can be.